السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Welcome all of you in Learning Arabic Language series. What is our lesson today?
Our lesson is about letter thal.
Letter thal has the same sounds as the in English, hasn't it?
Yes, the same as sound the in a word this and that, not as a sound tha in a word 3.
I understand now the as sounds of words this and that.
Say after me, thal.
Thal. Could you give us letter thal sounds with the slashes?
Okay, we have for the الفتحة ذا, ذا الكسرة ذي, ذا الضمة ذو. Repeat after me. The, ذو.
The, thu.
Now let me give some examples of letter ذال with slashes in words. We have for ذا الفتحة ذهب as English word gold. ذهب as English word gold. We have for ذا الكسرة ذئب as English word wolf. ذئب as English word wolf. We have for ذا الضمة ذبابة as English word fly. ذبابة as English word fly.
These were some examples of letter thal in words with slashes. Could you give us examples of letter thal's shapes drawing in beginning, middle, and last of the words?
Letter ذال in the beginning looks like this shape. It is in a word thal as English word tile. Thal as English word tile. Letter ذال in middle looks like this shape. It is in a word أذن as English word ear. أذن as English word ear. Letter ذال at last of the word looks like this shape. It is in a word تلميذ as English word student. تلميذ as English word student. These